Prime Minister rubbishes opposition claims of a recession. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching online on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or on onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, 2 men arrested in Seatuck raid. One of them wanted in connection with gang conflict, robberies and theft in St. Andrew, and still under curfew. Manchester police say security measure reaping success despite local authorities and business operators appeal. There's also Saturday sports special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.